If your adult acne keeps coming back no matter what skincare you try, you're probably making one of these 5 common mistakes without even realizing it. Adult acne is frustrating, especially when you think you're doing everything right. You buy skincare products, follow routines, and still, breakouts keep returning. The truth is, in most cases, it's not your skin that's the problem. It's your routine. In this video, we'll break down 5 skincare mistakes that could be secretly making your adult acne worse, and what you should do instead. Mistake number 1, over-cleansing your skin. Many people think washing their face more means cleaner skin. But over-cleansing actually strips your skin's natural barrier. This can trigger more oil production, which leads to more breakouts. Fix: cleanse your face only twice a day, morning and night, using a gentle cleanser. Mistake number 2, using too many active ingredients. Acids, retinol, benzoyl peroxide. Using everything together can overwhelm your skin. Instead of healing acne, it causes irritation and inflammation. Fix: stick to one active ingredient at a time and give your skin time to adjust. Mistake number 3, not moisturizing oily skin. A lot of people with acne-prone skin skip moisturizer thinking it will make them oilier, but dehydrated skin actually produces more oil to compensate. Fix: use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer daily. Mistake number 4, changing products. Too quickly. Skincare is not instant. Many people switch products every few days when they don't see results. This constantly disrupts your skin barrier. Fix: give any product at least 3 to 6 weeks before judging results. Mistake number 5, ignoring lifestyle triggers. Skincare is only part of the story. Stress, sleep, and diet all play a major role in adult acne. If your lifestyle is unbalanced, even the best skincare won't fully help. Fix: focus on sleep, hydration, and reducing stress levels. Adult acne doesn't disappear overnight, but once you fix these mistakes, your skin starts to calm down naturally.